Today we're going to take a look at a request, and the request was for what's the difference between so, one word, and so that, two words? That's a great question. So is an adverb used to indicate the degree or manner in which something is done. He drove so fast down the street. How fast did he drive? So fast, extremely fast. So. Okay, and so is also is used to connect clauses. For example, we are going to the store, so you should give us your list. We are going to the store would be one clause. You should give us your list, another clause. We can bring them together with so. We are going to the store, so you should give us your list. Okay, perfect. Now, so that is a conjunction used to express purpose or intended result. Think of it as in order to. What? Yeah, let me explain a little better. We are going to study very hard tonight so that we will do well on the exam tomorrow. We're going to study very hard tonight, and our purpose or intended result is so that we will do well on the exam. Got it? Let's put it all together. We are going to study very hard tonight so that we can do well on the exam. Okay, think of it as in order to. Let's do another one. My mom is walking farther every day so that she can get her balance back. My mom is walking farther every day in order to get her balance back. Got it. Or many people are eating healthier so that they can lose weight. Got it? The intended purpose is to lose weight. So that. So is used to indicate the degree or manner in which something is done. We worked so hard. Okay. Or I am so happy. Extremely happy. Worked extremely hard. Or it is done to connect clauses. Let's see. I ran out of gas, so I had to walk. I ran out of gas would be the one clause, or it could actually be a complete sentence. But when I put so, I had to walk. Put it all together. I ran out of gas, so I had to walk. There we go. It's a conjunction to connect the clauses. Here, so that is a conjunction used to express purpose or intended result. Think of it as in order to. So versus so that. Why do these two little words, one has only 2 letters in the one word, and the other one has only 6 letters and is 2 words, but has oh so much power? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. Bobby walks so fast. He does it so that he is always first. It's so annoying. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with so or so that? You can? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.